Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and I am here to show you a thermos. This is what it really is. It's called a vacuum food jar. And ENERGIFY sent me this to do a video with my honest opinion. So I just got it today and I just opened it up, and it's a 12-ounce jar. Actually, it's a nice cute jar. Not too big. You can throw it in your book bag or whatever you want, or whatever you're carrying, your pocketbook, if you need to take something to lunch. It also comes in this little bag, which I do like. You can actually, when you fill it up, you can actually leave it in the bag by itself, and there you go. If I was on a train, I would have it in my book bag, so I can have my lunch or my breakfast or whatever. You can put whatever you like in here. If you want oatmeal, because I make an oatmeal in the morning, and I might make my oatmeal first and then put it in this jar so I can eat it when I get to work. Okay, but this jar is a 12-ounce jar. It's a pink and gray jar, and it's really cute, real pretty. I'm gonna take the top off. As you can see, you can have coffee, you can have whatever you like in here. You can also carry it, carry it like on my finger like that. You can carry it if it was attached to the top. It also comes with a spoon on top. And I'm gonna take the spoon off, and let's see. And then you can just twist it off, twist it like this. And oops, let me go in the other direction. Twist it like this, and you got a really nice size spoon that comes with the jar, okay? And it has this little pop off, to get the air, to keep the air out. And then also it comes like this inside, okay? And inside of that is another it's some more another seal, just in case the seal gets defected or something like that. You need to do another one. But the inside looks like this. It holds 12 ounces. That's quite a bit. You can have a nice soup in here, or you can have stew in here. You can have your coffee or your oatmeal or whatever you want to bring, that's hot or cold, because I can put ice cream in here and keep going too. I made some ice cream, some homemade ice cream. That would be wonderful in here. It would stay cold until I wanted it, which is a cool thing, especially, and I got a spoon with it too. All good, all good. I'm gonna enjoy using this thing around the house, or whenever I need to take it out. I am definitely gonna enjoy it, and I thank ENERGIFY for sending me this for my review. So far, I do like it.